Clearwater, Florida. You're gonna want to see this. Hey there, sunshine seekers and beach bums. It's your buddy Stephen Wallace, and get ready to dive into the coolest place this side of the Gulf of Mexico, Clearwater, Florida. We're talking sugar white sand, crystal clear water, and enough fun in the sun to make you forget what century it is. But hold your horses, beachgoers. We're about to uncover some hidden gems in this Florida paradise that'll make your vacation legendary. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single second. All right, folks, let's kick things off with the main attraction, Clearwater Beach. This ain't just any beach, people. This is the real deal. We're talking sand so white it practically sparkles, and water so clear you can practically see your own reflection. Or maybe that's just a dolphin swimming by. Seriously, this beach is consistently voted one of the best in the country, and for good reason. Whether you're all about that sunbathing life, a water sports enthusiast, or just love a good old-fashioned sandcastle competition, Clearwater Beach has got you covered. So slather on that sunscreen, grab your beach towel, and get ready to experience paradise. Next up, we're heading to a place that's near and dear to my heart, the Clearwater Marine Aquarium. Now you might be thinking, an aquarium? On a beach vacation? But trust me, this ain't your average aquarium. This is the home of Winter the Dolphin, the star of the movie Dolphin Tale. Remember that heartwarming story? Well, you can meet Winter in person, along with a whole crew of rescued dolphins, sea turtles, and other amazing marine animals. The Clearwater Marine Aquarium is all about rescue and rehabilitation, so you know you're supporting a great cause while having an unforgettable experience. Plus, who doesn't love a good dolphin tale? All right, party people, get ready to experience the heart and soul of Clearwater Beach, Pier 60. This ain't just your average pier, folks. This is where the magic happens. Every single night, as the sun dips below the horizon, Pier 60 transforms into a vibrant festival of fun. We're talking live music, street performers juggling everything but the kitchen sink, local artisans selling their unique crafts, and of course, those breathtaking sunset views over the Gulf of Mexico. It's the perfect way to end a day in paradise, or maybe kick off a night of adventure. Sand Key Park. Shh, it's a secret. Now, if you're looking for a little peace and quiet away from the hustle and bustle of Clearwater Beach, then listen up. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away lies Sand Key Park, a hidden gem that's practically begging for you to discover it. Imagine pristine beaches, gentle waves lapping at the shore, and a sense of tranquility that'll wash over you like a warm wave. But that's not all. Sand Key Park also boasts a fantastic park area with picnic tables just begging for a barbecue, a playground for the little ones to burn off some energy, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife. Just remember, this is our little secret, okay? Dolphin watching cruise. Flipper, is that you? Okay, let's be real. No trip to Clearwater would be complete without a dolphin watching cruise. These playful creatures are practically Clearwater's official welcoming committee, and let me tell you, they know how to put on a show. Hop aboard a tour boat and get ready to experience the magic of dolphins leaping, diving, and frolicking in their natural habitat. It's an experience you won't soon forget, and hey, you might even get splashed. Clearwater Beach Walk. Strolling like a star. All right, folks, it's time to ditch the car and lace up those walking shoes, because we're about to embark on the Clearwater Beach Walk. This scenic promenade stretches along the beachfront, offering stunning ocean views, the gentle sea breeze whispering secrets in your ear, and a chance to soak up the vibrant atmosphere of Clearwater Beach. Whether you're in the mood for a leisurely stroll, a romantic sunset hand in hand, or a bike ride with the wind in your hair, the Clearwater Beach Walk is the perfect place to stretch your legs and soak up the beauty of this coastal paradise. Plus, with restaurants, shops, and cafes dotted along the way, you can easily make a day of it. Now, while Clearwater is known for its stunning beaches and outdoor adventures, don't think for a second that's all this town has to offer. Step back in time and experience a touch of old-world charm at the Capitol Theater, a historic landmark nestled in the heart of downtown Clearwater. This beautifully restored theater has been entertaining audiences for decades, and trust me, it's still got it. From Broadway shows and musical performances to comedy acts and film screenings, the Capitol Theater has something for everyone. So put on your fancy pants, grab a cocktail at the bar, and get ready for a night of entertainment that'll transport you to another era. Moccasin Lake Nature Park. Shh! It's wild out there. Calling all nature lovers. If you're looking for a break from the beach and a chance to reconnect with Mother Nature, then grab your binoculars and head to Moccasin Lake Nature Park. This 51-acre preserve is a haven for Florida's diverse wildlife, with walking trails winding through lush forests, boardwalks over tranquil wetlands, and exhibits showcasing the fascinating creatures that call this place home. Keep your eyes peeled for alligators basking in the sun, turtles peeking out from the water, and a symphony of birdsong filling the air. It's a peaceful retreat that'll leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Kayak or paddleboard. Row, row, row your boat. All right, adventure seekers, it's time to trade in that beach towel for a paddle and explore Clearwater from a whole new perspective. The calm, protected waters of the Intracoastal Waterway are just begging to be explored by kayak or paddleboard. Glide through mangrove tunnels, spot playful dolphins and gentle manatees, and soak up the serenity of this unique ecosystem. Don't worry, you don't need to be an Olympic athlete to enjoy this activity. There are plenty of rental companies that offer guided tours and lessons for beginners. So grab a life jacket, channel your inner explorer, and get ready for a paddling adventure you won't soon forget. Sunset Cruise. Romance is in the air. And finally, folks, we've reached the grand finale, the pièce de résistance, the perfect ending to your Clearwater adventure, a sunset cruise. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the Gulf of Mexico, hop aboard a sailboat, catamaran, or even a pirate ship. Hey, we're in Florida, anything goes, and prepare to be mesmerized. Sip on a refreshing cocktail, feel the gentle sea breeze in your hair, and watch as the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a truly magical experience, perfect for couples looking for a romantic evening, families creating unforgettable memories, or anyone who appreciates the simple beauty of a Florida sunset. Clearwater, we'll see you again soon. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 epic adventures that'll have you saying, "Clearwater, you complete me." From pristine beaches and playful dolphins to vibrant nightlife and natural wonders, this Florida gem has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Clearwater escape today. And hey, if you want all the juicy details about the activities we discussed, just scroll down to the video description. I've got you covered with links, maps, and all the insider tips you need to make your trip unforgettable. Until next time, keep on exploring.